Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're going to be continuing our R2 build with issue 7. We've got our parts, so let's get started. Alright, here are the components we receive in this issue. We've got 2 dome frame pieces, a hinge that comes in 2 parts, and a number of pieces listed as leg detail. We've also got some more nuts and screws that are the same as what we received in previous issues, so I'm actually not going to open these. I'm going to use the ones that we got before. Okay, to begin, we're going to take the dome assembly from the previous issues and one of the new dome mounts. We'll just slide it in, and you notice I've got 4 nuts and 4 screws from the previous issue. We're going to put this together exactly the same way we did the last one. Now these dome mounts are identical, so it doesn't matter which one goes where, just so long as they are placed in the locations I'm showing. We'll do the same for the last one. Alright, and there you have this week's dome assembly complete. Now we're going to move on to the leg detail. Alright, so we've got our leg detail pieces here, and I've taken 2 of the silver screws from before, though you can use the ones from this issue as well. The instructions are a little unclear as to whether or not you use the dark screws or the silver screws. I'm going to use the silver screws, and hopefully that will work. To begin, take one of these, and you've got your ring. You slide it right on. Then you take your cap, and you note that it's keyed with these little tabs on either side, and there are holes, or more like slots, on there. You want to line it up to match that. And you hold it tight. Take one of your screws and you slide it into that hole right there in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. And we'll want to screw it in nice and tight. There we go. Seems to have done it. One complete, and now we just repeat that for the second one. All right, and there you go. 2 leg detail pieces complete. And there we have it. Issue 7 is complete. A couple of leg detail pieces and some more of the dome. I can't wait to get some more of this put together. Alright, if you like this video, remember to like and share and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell so you always know when we have a new one. We'll see you next week.